Vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, has several important functions. These include the normal function of your nervous system and other tissues, such as the skeletal muscles and the heart. It is part of an enzyme needed for energy metabolism and therefore is required to release energy from carbohydrates. A good source of vitamin B1 include whole grain and enriched breads, cereals, peas, beans and lentils, nuts and seeds. You can make sure you get a good amount of vitamin B1 in your diet through simple meals like red lentil soup, brown rice, black bean salad, prawn and noodle stir-fry. Vitamin B2. Vitamin B2, also known as riboflavin, has several important functions. These include the release of energy from protein, carbohydrate and fat. It is involved in the transport and metabolism of iron in the body. It is needed for the normal structure and function of mucous membranes and the skin. And it is also important for healthy vision. Good sources of vitamin B2 include milk and milk products, leafy green vegetables, whole grain and enriched breads, cereals. You can make sure you get a good amount of vitamin B2 into your diet through simple meals like strawberry milkshake, chickpea salad, and buttermilk French toast. Vitamin B3. Vitamin B3, also known as niacin, has several important functions. These include the release of energy from the foods we eat. It keeps our nervous system and our skin healthy. There are two forms of niacin, nicotinic acid and nicotinamide. Both are found in food. Good sources of niacin include meat, fish, wheat flour, eggs, milk. You can make sure you get a good amount of vitamin B3 in your diet through simple meals like tuna steak with salad, grilled chicken breast, meatball curry. Remember, always ask your doctor or pharmacist for advice, as taking the right amount of vitamins and minerals will help keep your body and immune system healthy. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, has several important functions for our body. These include allowing your body to use and store energy that is taken from protein and carbohydrates in your food. It helps in the formation of hemoglobin, the substance in red blood cells that carries oxygen around our body. Good sources of vitamin B6 include chicken and turkey, fish, bread, whole grain cereals, some fortified breakfast cereals, eggs, milk, vegetables, potatoes, soya beans, and peanuts. You can make sure you get the right amount of vitamin B6 in your diet through simple meals like baked salmon, tuna pasta salad, and vegetable stir-fry. Folate and folic acid, also known as folacin and vitamin B9, has several important functions. These include helping our body to form healthy red blood cells and reducing the risk of central neural tube defects such as spina bifida in unborn babies. The man-made manufactured form of folate is called folic acid. Folate is found in small amounts in many foods. Good sources of folate include broccoli, Brussels sprouts, leafy green vegetables such as cabbage and spinach, peas, chickpeas, breakfast cereals fortified with folic acid. You can make sure you get a good amount of folate in your diet through simple meals and even drinks like ginger green juice, cauliflower curry, chicken Caesar salad. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 has several important functions for the body. These include working alongside vitamin B9, folic acid, to create healthy red blood cells, keeping your nervous system healthy, helps to release energy from food. Good sources of vitamin B12 include meat, salmon, cod, milk, cheese, eggs, some fortified breakfast cereals. You can make sure you get the right amount of vitamin B12 in your diet through simple meals and drinks like turmeric latte, grilled salmon, meat curry. Remember, always ask your doctor or pharmacist for advice, as taking the right amount of vitamins and minerals will help keep your body and immune system healthy.